Hey everyone, Steve here. Today I am going to show you how to install an easy slide sliding screen door. This is one of our heavy duty sliding screen doors, and actually this specific door has two doors. They meet in the middle. So we're also going to show you how to install a meeting rail, which looks just like this, okay? And the meeting rail to me looks like a capital H, okay? And it's going to mount in the center, and we'll show you how to do that, okay? Okay, so first we're going to install the left screen door here, and I am going to slide it up in the top channel first, okay? And then it slides on right up in there, and then it'll slide right onto the bottom track. Okay, this one actually, the right side's already gotten on, but the left side hasn't. It's not always the case. And you take a chisel and you'll put that under here to make sure that the wheels are on. That one's on. And right here, on the left side, same thing. Use the chisel, slide it back, make sure it drops right on there. Okay, so it's on the track. It's moving pretty good. Next step is these screws here. These nuts, we're going to adjust those so that they are even, and the door is even. So I'm just using a pair of pliers. You could use a pair of pliers or a wrench, crescent wrench. You lift it up as much as you can, and you tighten down the screw. Okay. Same thing on the left. Lift the door up a little bit. Let the wheel drop. Okay. So now I'm going to put the second door on. Okay, so now I'm going to install the meeting rail. To me, most people are right-handed, so I'm going to, coming from the inside, I'm actually going to mount it onto this other door here. Okay. And right here. There's two sides to it. I was trying to install it backwards. So this is the side that's a little smaller, an opening here. Let me show you up close. There's two sides to it. This opening is the side where the one slides in and out of. This one here, if you look at the end again, the top here, there's a little notch there. You see at the top. And that notch there is the side that's going to go on the door that's going to have the J hook that's going to latch to. Okay, so it's going to be like this, right on. Now usually these come a little long. This one luckily is the size that we need it to be. Okay, but if you need to trim it, you just take a saw, a hacksaw or a saw and cut it down. Okay, so to mount this, we want to push this against there so it's nice and flush. You know, if you see it's bowing out a little bit here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to shoot a self-tapping screw. You don't need a pre-drill with these, it's just a self-tapper. Okay. And we're going to take this and push this back. here. And then you can see here, door slides to there, and your second door slides in there and closes in the gap. You see? Now what we do is we install the J-hook in here. So it's the latch hook. Everybody calls it a latch hook. I, for some reason, call it a J hook because this part looks like a J. And then we're gonna mount this on this side, so that way our latch here will mount right in there. So it's gonna mount in like that. So what I do is I'll take this over, and then so you want to know where your hole is going to be. So. And because it's adjustable, you could just, you can mark it with a pencil, pen. I usually just can take my knife here, and I'm just going to mark a little hole. I mean, not a hole, just a mark. You can see the mark on the side here. Just marking that with the screw. Don't have enough hands. There you go. Latch. Can't get out. Unless I unlock it. Okay, and then you put a second screw. So I'm just going to shoot the second screw to secure it. Okay, it feels a little pulling the doors back and forth. Pulling the doors back and forth, it feels it's like there's some strain on it or something. I'm going to show you how to fix that, because there's something holding it back. Okay. So today I'd like to show you how to trim a bug seal on a sliding screen door. That's one of the major problems with a lot of people when they buy their doors. They don't realize that it's not going to operate properly if you don't trim it back, depending on where your track is. Okay, like this door here, if you look at the track here, the track is only 1/4 of an inch away from the glass here, okay, and this frame. And if you close in here, look how long the bug seal is. It's nearly 1.5 inches, inch to 1.5 inches. And so what we'll do is show you how to trim that. As well as this one is actually cut to length. This bug seal is cut to length, top and bottom. Sometimes they come longer than the door. If they come longer, you just got to trim the bug seal. Okay. The only tool that you really need for this is really a razor blade, or maybe a pair of scissors. Okay. So, utility blade. Okay, so this side. So you can set the angle of the. Okay, so we usually do this when it's up. So what I'll do is I'll look at it and say, okay, you know what? I fold it, and you see the lines here; they're notched. It's turning a little white because of the white paint on this door. But what I'll do is take that, and I'll take the razor blade and cut it a little bit. So right here is the perfect spot. I'll just start a little cut there, and then now that it's cut, you can just pull it back all the way down. Okay. Your door stops there. Okay. Same thing on this type of door, same thing on the other sides. Let's go from this side. There you go. And just Peel it back. Okay, so I trimmed it down. You see here, it's still rubbing quite a bit. It's because, you know, the glass is a different depth than the metal frame, the window frame, the sliding door frame. So what I'm gonna do is notch that out, and you can see how much it is. It's about 1/8 of an inch or so. And then look here, we have a little bit to play with. So I'm gonna take one more notch off here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do is put it back in, pull it up until right there to the edge, and then just trim it off. Boom. There you go. So you do that on all four corners. I mean, on both top and bottom. It's rubbing a little there and here. So. There you go. Wow, that's a quick fix for repair on a sliding screen door. Now, if you have trouble with your sliding screen doors sliding, a lot of times it's the bug seal. Sometimes you need to spray some silicone on there, which we sell the Alumalub on our website. You should check it out and check out that video. It's a really awesome product. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. God bless. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.